Please see this 2-minute video to understand how innovation can help our asset maintenance team members. Typically, in this sort of innovation, we include headsets, and we want to help users on field or with remote maintenance work. This process captures lots of information and can be put into reports for your review. We thank all our clients to allow us to develop this technology. Even though our Carl software has many other great features, but today's video is on augmented reality, or let's say mixed reality. So let me remind you, what is mixed reality? Well, it's immersive. So here we can see someone working with a headset, and through the headset, we're going to be able to see images of reality with virtual objects. This is technically or logically inventive, and for the technicians, we want to provide interactive support on maintenance work as naturally as possible so operators will work with their hands free. So let me just give you some sort of context. Here you can see on this image the technician is going to a room to carry out technical work. He needs to go through a preventive maintenance process. However, when he arrives, he decided to start his task but does it in mixed reality. So to show the action, here we go with video to illustrate it. So the first thing that we're going to see is all the operations that he needs to do with holograms, and he interacts very naturally with his hand, with his hologram hand. So he sees the list of operations, but that is going to lead to a certain amount of media to come into play. For example, here we have a document that is perfectly positioned next to the machine but is exactly at the right page, so he's going to be able to run through his operation. There are a few holograms of some screwdrivers that come into the right place with appropriate screws, and here with BL Predict we can show you the pressure that is needed. So, he goes through his operation here with the details. He already has detailed information. He can check the operation. The working time is getting recorded, and he can move on following operations. You can see this active security device has been identified. He is not allowed to go in there. And so here we have a video at the right position, responding to the operation that he needs to carry out finally. Here you can see he has opened his hand. We have a map here. There is an operation number 30, but he can't pinpoint it. So he launches his guiding tool, which works like a GPS, and shows precisely where he is to act so that he can complete his maintenance operation. Thanks for watching this short video, and contact iEngineering Group if you require any further information.